Hey, this is Coal Trains in Montreal, and I've got a CP train here. It looks like 119, heading either on track 1 or 2. Can't quite tell if it's crossing over onto track 1 over here on CP, here at Dorval Station on the 9th of March, 2023, at about 6:10 p.m. Here it comes now. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be on track 2. Here you can see a front of clouds coming in here at sunset at Dorval. We will soon be on daylight savings time as of the 12th. So this will be twilight today, but next week this train will be in more daylight. One of these well cars here has a container that has wheels on it. Railroad wheels, train wheels. You looking for that? I saw it from my train when I got off. You know, those two cars there might have been those train wheels. They might not show up, I'm not sure. From a higher vantage point on the train, you can look down into the well. So there is one locomotive up front, and there will be one DPU unit. I don't know if there's going to be an end DPU. This train might have one. It has double stacks at front. It'll have some mixed freight and probably auto racks on the end. I do know there's some mixed freight because this train was coming out of the St. Luke yard with a bunch of tank cars and hopper cars. So, and then when we stopped at Machine, it became all of these containers, double stacks. Here's the wheels. There's a DPU. And there's the mixed freight. A lot of tankers, and there will be some hopper cars. There's the hoppers. Some of them have some big graffiti too. I know I saw one with at least some graffiti. And as always, Dorval doesn't disappoint. At dusk and at night, you get great lighting here. And you can see the sun is going behind that front of clouds. It's going to be cloudy tomorrow, I suppose. Don't think we're getting any snow or anything. And the last car is coming up. There it is. And there is a second train. Amazing. I think he's going to stop though. He looks like he's going to stop. You might be doing a crew change actually. So bonus CN train making a stop. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.